Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening PhonePe and getting the scanner ready. Unlock your phone and launch PhonePe, then tap the QR icon on the home screen or Payments tab to activate the camera. Once done, grant camera permission if prompted so PhonePe can read codes. This is necessary because the app needs live video input to decode QR data. Make sure your phone is steady and the lens is clean, because glare or smudges interfere with scanning and slow the process. Point your camera at the QR code and center it in the on-screen frame. Hold steady for 1 to 3 seconds while PhonePe decodes the data. Once it reads the code, you'll see payee details and suggested amount. Review the name and UPI ID to confirm you're paying the right recipient. If the amount is editable, change it now. Otherwise, select your preferred payment method or add a new bank account. This verification prevents misdirected transfers and avoids refunds later. After verification, confirm the amount and select the bank or wallet to pay from, then authenticate with your UPI PIN or biometric approval to complete the transfer. Once successful, you'll get an on-screen receipt and an SMS. Save the merchant or add to favorites for faster future payments. If the scan or payment fails, check internet connectivity and that the camera is focused, retry with better lighting, confirm the QR code is valid, and update phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.